December 26, 2023, day 3, our third day here in Seoul, Korea, in Myeongdong in particular. We are going to Samdam? Samsan? Ano pangalan nun? Namsan Tower, and we are going to take the bus. And I have here with me my super pogi Lucas. Oh yeah, super pogi. He likes being called super pogi. So yung bus pala, they don't accept cash payment. Kaya ito, dito kami sa 7-Eleven to buy this
One card, all
card.
paso.
So dito, ito yung mga bus card, and not really just for bus, also for the train. Parang bibili ka ng prepaid. Initial load is worth 5,000, and then you can just keep on reloading it sa bus station yata or sa train station. Like yesterday, nakita namin may mga reloading machine dun sa train station. Good thing andun si ate, she can speak a little bit of English. She was able to explain it to us. Nagpaturo na kami instructions ng pagsakay sa bus going to our destination. Galing. Ang overpass, may elevator.
Sana all.
Sa atin, meron din. Pero
May hand
laging sira.
sanitizer pa.
Laging sira. Oh, may hand sanitizer pa. The Bakers. Okay, meron silang local version ng 7-Eleven. Ayan, oh, they call it Nice to See You. Diyan kami nagpa-load ng card ng bus. So we learned one lesson today. I want to document it now while we are walking to Namsan Tower. At baka makalimutan ko. Okay, so ito yung bus card na mabibili mo sa 7-Eleven. May iba-ibang design siya. Alright? Ang cost ng card nito is 5,000 Korean won. We thought yung 5,000 na yon may prepaid load na siya. Wala pala. Okay? Ngayon, so zero load siya, and then sumakay kami ng bus. Iba yung tunog, parang may error. Wala naman sinabi sa amin yung bus driver. So somehow parang na free ride kami sa unang ride namin. So for you guys, pag nasakay kayo ng bus, pagbili nyo nito, yung 5,000 Korean won, cost lang yun for the card itself. Magpapaload pa kayo. So depende na sa iyo kung ilan ang gusto nyo. And then di ba marami kami, 8 kami. Kung marami din kayo, hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng tigit-tigit isang card. Isang card lang pwede na. And then share na lang kayo, tap lang ng tap. Okay? So yun yung lesson learned namin for today. Okay, we're going up na doon, no? Hi Sophie. So, nagkamali kami sa bus. Ito, another unfortunate event. So, dyan, supposed to be there's a tram ride going up doon. But then, it's out of service. So, kaya ito, we are going to hike all the way up. Sarap ng exercise. Okay. Adding the cable car. Last. Hello. Okay, we're moving.
잡으시면 되는데. 옛날 보는 남자고.
Where's Lucas? Lucas.
Hey. I'm a little afraid of heights.
Sophie.
자, 나는 저 이거 테이블 오픈할 때 탄 사람.
Saska. Saska. Ito yung bunso ko. Papa. Hi.
Taas na.
Bunso ko yan, pinakapasaway.
Whoa, there's the other one.
Oh God. Just don't look down.
Don't look down, don't look down, don't look down. It's cool. I don't want to go down on this. By taking the bus.
There's no bus there.
And go. Oh my God. It's even colder here. Ayos. Tara. Korean pancake. Okay. Mukha kang model. Oh.
Of course.
Model labor out tayo. Chaska. 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 We are now in Insadong. This street daw is more on mga art. Ayan, nakita nyo may mga art items. There you go. And then there's the name of the street. Insadong. And there's my troop.
It's not Kasha.
No, that's okay. Then you twist na.
Really?
Yeah.
No. No.
Ah, yeah. Hindi nga pa.
There's a 1,000 coin.
Okay, I give you some little bit. Taste it. You so very cute.
Masarap, masarap. Sobrang masarap.
So, nandito pa rin kami sa sa Insadong, and may ano pala sila dito, culture pala nila, nagko-close yung mga restaurants between around mga 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So, kapag katulad namin kayo na medyo alanganin ang oras kumain, like right now, tsaka pa lang kami nag-iisip mag-lunch, mahirap kasi majority nakasarado. So, dapat mag-lunch kayo ng before 3. Okay? So, ayun, ang dami namin nadaan ng mga restaurants na mukhang masasarap pa naman sana. Kaya lang, yun nga, lahat sila naka-break. What's that?
There are add-ons.
Parang ramyun lang yan ah.
Dumpling,
Okay.
cheese, what do you want? Fish cake.
So may diretso check-out na rin pala dito. Galing.
What's this?
I think that's a sausage.
Ooh, is this mine?
What you ordered?
This is probably
Yan
mine.
yung kay Daddy.
Mahirap lang mag-order because the names and description are in Korean. Magde-depend ka lang sa picture. Eh kung maliit pa yung picture, di mo maintindihan kung ano. Di mo alam kung may soup or wala. Look at this, look at this. Magandang idea para sa condo, space saving. Oh, ha? Nasa ilalim ng table ang spoon and fork, tsaka tissue. Nice and clean. Quick summary for day 3. Only the important information that I think important for you guys who are planning to travel dito sa South Korea. So, number 1, yung sa bus nga, take note. Earlier in the video, pinakita ko kung paano bumili. And then, kung marami kayo, take note, yung bus card na yon, pwede mo yun gamitin for all view. So, tap ka lang ng tap. Kaya lang, later we found out, hindi, yung bus card kasi na yon, pwede rin yun gamitin sa train. Kaya lang, pagdating sa train, hindi pwedeng i-share. Kasi sa train, di ba, pagpasok mo, itatap mo, and then pag-exit mo, itatap mo, matatrack nila kung nasaan ka. So, pagdating sa train, kailangan individual. Sa bus, pwede mo siyang i-share kasi tap ka lang ng tap. So, take note of that. Next, pumunta kami ng Namsam Tower. Maganda ron, I would recommend akyat kayo doon. Magandang view sa view ng city. And then, magandang experience yung cable car ride papunta dun sa tower. Tapos meron silang yung katulad daw sa, I've never been to France, pero sa Paris yung Lock, yung Love Lock, meron din sila doon. So magandang experience. Makakit lang kayo, saglit lang naman, hindi nyo kailangan mag-spend ng too long doon. And then after that, pumunta kami ng Insadong Street, another parang shopping area. More on mga arts, tapos mga shopping din, pero hindi siya yung typical na shopping na gusto natin puntahan. Hindi siya katulad ng Mongkok sa Hong Kong or sa Tsim Sha Tsui sa Hong Kong. Well, for me, hindi ako masyadong, I didn't find it really very interesting. Even yung mga art items nila, there's very few. Yung 2 daughters ko mahilig sa art, pero parang dalawang store lang naman ang talagang tinignan nila. So, if you have other plans, you can skip the Insadong. And then, dun din namin napansin or natutunan that they have that culture na around 3 to 5 p.m. nagsasarado yung mga restaurants. Eh kami late kami mag-lunch. So kaya hindi kami nakapag-lunch dun mismo sa area. Nakapag-lunch kami, which is in the later part of the video kanina. Nung pauwi na kami, dun na sa main road, yun, masarap dun. Ang problema, maraming restaurants dito na masasarap na walang English name. Kaya hindi ko masabi sa inyo kung ano. So makikita nyo rin naman dun sa video, dun sa nadadaanan ko yung pangalan ng video. So makikita nyo kung yung itsura ng image in Korean nga lang. So ayun, but anyway, ang sarap ng restaurant na yon. And yeah, so that's it for day 3. Abangan ng day 4. Thank you for watching. Bye.